was a tree, and there was a little boy.
The tree loved the little boy. And the boy loved the tree. The boy played games with the tree. I'm hungry.
And so the boy collected and ate the tree's apples. Time went by and the boy grew older.
Time passed and the boy met a girl. The tree was sad. The tree remembered when the boy was young.
But the boy stayed away for a long time. Still time passed, and the seasons came and went. And then one day the boy came back, and the tree shook with joy. Boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and eat apples and play in my shade and be happy. I'm too busy to climb trees. Can you give me some money?
He sold her apples for money. I need a house for my family.
You may cut off my branches and build a house,